Hey guys, Ian Pacific Kid back with another video. Okay, today, not only did I do a complete redo and, well, not really a redo, but a complete makeover for my big boy, but I also made some new cars, so let's get into it. Okay, so the biggest thing you're gonna notice is that there's the sand. I already forgot what sand dome. That's the sand dome. Yeah, I added the sand dome, and you notice now it's more realistic with only the light gray up here. Bomb's not realistic. I'm not gonna change the bomb because I don't want to redo that floor on both sides. So yeah, I did add a cow catcher. And I replaced the and now there is a certified that is a certified funnel, well, double funnel. So yeah, no, it's not stack, double stack. I'm slowly going insane, please help. Okay, next, the tender. I just replaced the light gray that was here, made that dark gray, of course. Now for the new cars. So get out. Okay. We have new cars, which I have only decided what two of them are. So this one is a freezer car. So yeah, and it's probably the coolest car I have. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty dank. I think this will be sort of a small tank car, like to hold fluids, like alcohol, cherry juice, grape juice, anything really. It's just gonna be another tank car. And then I'm gonna call this the bank car because it has the gold pieces, and I have the whatever those things are, the sort of rod sight that are red and green that come with the Star Wars ship sets. They're in these things, these gray and dark gray things. They make a rattling sound from the springs. So it reminds me of money, so this is the money car. So yeah, I just made all of those up right now. This is a freezer, this is a tank car, and this is the money car. This is the only one I knew that for sure. These two I made up. So yeah. So now I'm gonna do something that's productive, like getting all the Lego trains out and seeing them for like the first time since 3 months, maybe 5 months ago. I don't know. So see ya. Goodbye.